Hey, get a shot of these fake reps.
I was out here checking to see if they were really multi-piece earlier.
I mean,
They're not.
what sucks because it's laying on the control arm.
One of them has a crack that got welded.
I wouldn't even take this thing on the floor.
But you take the Polo?
I already took the pole.
I know, the Polo's rusted apart. This one's not yet.
I thought I popped the hood on the Mark 1.
They popped the VIN off the dash, which I guess we'll see if the VINs match up to what the paperwork says. I don't know, I'm checking it out.
Right here.
Oh.
So that goes sideways and then...
Nothing crazy.
Got you a good one, Autry.
Yeah. Made in Mexico in Mexico.
The gingerbread looks nice.
I'm trying to get Kamala over here real quick so that we can air up all four corners and pull it in. Park it somewhere.
Stay strapped to that class.
You gotta push it in and then, yeah. No. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it does a shot.
It'll stay closed.
Yeah, he had the door panel off, so I'm assuming he was trying to figure out what the wrong with it. Alright.
Say what's up to YouTube, Anthony. They haven't met you yet.
What up, fools?
Alright, it's Thursday, September, what's today? 16th? 17th? And we all have new cars. So we might as well just show off the new cars and the shop since we haven't done either. Y'all just saw this thing. Literally just got it off the trailer from, where did he get it from? McAllen?
Something like Mexico.
Yeah, basically. So there's this. Not much we know about this one yet. Rohan has this now.
What?
Oh, we're showing off everybody's new cars.
Oh, putting it, BMPing it out.
Rohan's
Look at the back of this.
Rohan's doing sales now. If y'all didn't know that,
Hello, hit me up.
hit him up. He drives that super sick black all-track that we used to post all the time, but I don't post anymore because, you know,
He's mean.
because I'm mean.
All right, I dropped this. Right there. Oh.
The Touareg lifted. I don't know if it's been on YouTube since then. Rafa just bought the cheapest B5 S4 known to man. And it's super, super clean. I forgot I have a flip out monitor now. Now I can see. Where's my car? Oh yeah. I got a new car. I sold my Mark 7 last year, have the E30 and the Jeep, and then bought this. I drive a lot, so I had to buy a diesel. Of course, why not buy TDI DSG A3? Pretty cool. On 1552s, lowered on some silvers coilovers. They're very stiff right now, but it's a clean little car. Not too much to show off with that one, but the interesting car, well, one of the interesting cars is inside. But yeah, Caddy just came from South Texas, literally just showed up. It's rough, but it'd be cool. But the Mark 1 should be here within the next few days or so too. Anyways, enough of the outside cars. I think the rest of them are inside and in the back. But we haven't shown y'all the new shop yet. So, ladies first. Thank you. Boom. Still kind of messy in here. A little waiting area. Rohan's office. You know. Anthony again. Then the weirdest car in this whole place. All the way from Scotland. This car is from Paul 2, where we got the Mark 1. So this showed, Rafa bought this Sunday, I think, and the exhaust has already fallen off of it. You know, it's pretty cool though. This thing's super clean though. Inside's super nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Banana.
Yeah, the banana.
This is Rafa, the king of the dad jokes, this car. So there's also a motorcycle battery in here that breaks, that we need to jump start every 2 minutes.
Yeah, we've had to jump start him a few times because he has to put a Braille battery in everything.
It's an A4, so it's lightweight. It's on all track coilovers, or all track springs and stock suspension.
But in all actuality, this is a super clean A4. It's just very yellow. So he has this and the S4. Manual, 2.8 liter V6. Completely stock. And he has a supercharger that he's gonna put on it. But yeah, other than that, there's not much to talk about other than the fact that it's very yellow. This is my old car that Anthony now has. You thought you were gonna get out of the camera. This thing's super cool though. The tune fixed it? Oh, the ECU fixed it?
Yep. Needed an ECU. It's weird, but whatever.
Okay.
It's so much slower.
So this car was originally a 2.8 liter V6 car, 5-speed manual.
No, it was auto.
Was it an auto, actually? Oh.
Because we didn't get the 4-motion manuals state.
We didn't. Anyways, regardless, automatic 2.8 liter V6. Now it is a S4 6-speed transmission with a 1.8T that did not run very good until he bought it and fixed things, because I didn't fix anything. I just drove the out of it. But yeah, it's 4-motion wagon with a 1.8. It's pretty sick with the 6-speed. Can't really beat it, and it's pretty damn clean. So instead of doing MQB stuff, now we all have old pieces of junk.
Speak for yourselves.
Oh yeah, you're the only person with an MQB car. Well, Audrey has the all-track, but it's his wife's car. But there's stuff we have to do that thing too down the road.
Yeah.
Here's the new shop. Not much to show off, you know, just boxes, and that means nothing to y'all.
Are you gonna edit this part out?
Maybe, unless it's funny.
Our shelves look empty right now because everything is on back order, no ETA because COVID. Can I swear on here?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, well,
Leave it out.
You know,
We didn't really show off our old like warehouse and like any of that before, like unless it was like in like some install video, which there's a couple. But we literally had all of our stuff in the back of the old shop in under 1,800 square feet. Now we have all this, which is huge, and we're just filling it up now. But for having like all the shipping delays and everything, there's a lot more stuff in here than we ever had at the old place. It's pretty cool, but
it's nuts coming from the old shop to this one. Like the amount of stuff we have now. The amount of cars we've all bought.
yeah, within the past
1
month,
to 2 cars.
within the past month,
Literally the past couple weeks.
you got the GTI, I got the A3, he got my old Passat, Rafa bought the Polo and the S4. Autry bought he bought the Caddy, but he tried to buy QJ E39 wagon, which was super cool.
Fucking amazing.
Buyer didn't sell
Everyone
it.
should own a wagon. Yeah.
Everybody should own a wagon. But anyways, y'all buy some merch. Keep my boy Anthony busy back here. Busier. But anyways, that's enough for this video. We have another video. What's today? Not this coming weekend, but the next. Me and Rafa are going to LA to take a car and reveal something to y'all that y'all don't know about yet, but have kind of been teased about.
It's amazing.
But yeah, we're going to LA. We're going to Big SoCal Euro, and if any of y'all are there, say what's up. I'll be there filming. Rohan won't be there. He'll be talking to y'all. So
Y'all can email and call me though.
email and call him at rohan@bmptuning.com.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. We will talk to y'all later.